everyone, today I'm going to show you how to wind the bobbin on your sewing machine. I'm using the Brother CS7000X. I do have a link to this machine in the description box below if you're interested. Please also make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. To get started, it's helpful to know what a bobbin is. I had no idea. So a bobbin is this round piece of plastic. You want to make sure that the bobbin that comes with your machine, that you're using a bobbin that comes with your machine. So my brother came with about 3, I believe, because if you don't use the correct bobbin, it can really mess up your machine. So just to keep that in mind, it comes just empty like this. And then you're gonna ideally want it to be like this, because this is a loaded bobbin that will go into this section right here. I don't really know, I can't think of the word right now, but the section right here, as you can see, I already have a loaded bobbin in there. And you're always going to want to have a loaded bobbin thread and the upper thread. And I did include a video on how to thread the machine. So if you're interested in that, you can check out the card here. The important thing to keep in mind is that you're going to be winding the bobbin using the top thread on the thread spool. So as you can see, here is how it is threaded normally. So it's going to go, down here and through this threading device here, all the way down to the presser foot down here. And again, you can check out that video if you're interested in how to do that. But the bobbin winding process is a little bit different. So that's what I'm going to show you today. Start off, you're going to turn the machine on. I'll turn it off again. And to do that, you're going to press it here. It's going to make a little funny noise. And so then you'll see when the light is on like this, that the machine is on. And what you're going to do is you're going to unthread the upper thread from the thread spool. You want to unthread this from the regular threading path. You still have the thread on the thread spool, you're just going to be threading it a different way. So you're going to, again, pull it to the left from the back. And then, I'm going to do this with my left hand, even though I'm a righty. You're going to pull it like this, twist it around, like that, and then move it to where your bobbin is right here. So on either side of the place where the center hole here, you have these 2 holes. The one that's open is where you're actually going to put the thread. So you're going to put the thread kind of from underneath. You're not going to thread it down here, but you're just going to put it through, bring it over once it's threaded on the other side that I just showed you, and you're going to put it right in the hole here. So I'm going to show you what that looks like after the fact. It's really hard for me to do it on camera. Alrighty, so I'm holding on to the thread here, and I'm going to just place the bobbin right on top. And as you can see, it's a little easier now to see that the thread is going through that hole. And now you're going to push this part, the mechanism, to the side here, just gently, like that. And mine is actually a little messed up here, but you can see here that it's crossed, it's a little cross here, and then there's a little bit too much slack here, so I'm going to try and work around that, but normally you wouldn't have as much slack. So what you're going to do, and this is the most important part, hold on to the end of the thread for at least the first few spins around on the bobbin. And so what you're going to do is, if you've connected your foot pedal, I have it connected right now, then I actually just always put it to the lowest speed setting, and I will be doing a video that goes through all the features of this machine, but I do it to the lowest speed setting, and you'll see in a moment. And all you're going to do is put your foot on the pedal, and you're going to start gently pressing down on the foot pedal to get the machine to run. So I'm going to hold gently onto the thread with my right hand, and then just press down. And there you go. Now I can let it go. And as you can see, it's starting to fill that bobbin. I'm just gonna stop it there. Normally it would actually just stop for you and it will just literally stop spinning, but I'm just gonna remove it because I don't need to do the whole. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and push this to the side, to the back, to the left, push the machine off, and then you can just release that bobbin. And then what you'll do after that is go ahead and trim your thread. I'm gonna go ahead and get my thread trimmers here. I'm trying to do this with one hand. We'll see. All right, hopefully see that. And then sometimes I will trim the the upper part as well. But this is what it looks like loaded. It's not completely fully loaded, although it's pretty close actually. So sorry, my baby is in the background. That's what it looks like, and your bobbin is good to go. So that is how to wind the bobbin on the Brother sewing machine. I hope it was helpful to you. If you found it helpful, please let me know in the comments. Feel free to share this video, and I will see you in the next one.